Hello everyone, welcome for a new video. Today we are talking about... welcome everyone. What I want to show you today is Seedream 5.0. Is the new tool that is implemented in CapCut. I want to give a genuine test. I don't want to make something really polished, amazing that everyone show you. So you can see here I have my image. I'm going to create an image first, and then I want to animate it. I want to create some videos. Essentially, you will see the prompt here as well. Essentially, I'm just creating with my face a F1 driver 2026 Ferrari, and I imagining how Seedream 5.0 will create with the image. See how strong it is. I selected, as you can see here, 16:9 on a horizontal picture, and I can generate. I click generate without any credit. So this is good. So I'm testing without credit. I want to give you a test without spending a fortune. You can see here we have pretty quickly 4 images. They look quite good. Obviously there's a few bits, like for example the Ferrari looks really good, the F1 is really good, the logo looks really good. There's the 2026 there on the front of the car that probably is not the best. The images, they're all pretty similar. I'm gonna pick this one with the sunset, which is pretty nice, and then I'm gonna go back on the normal, which is a bit more stretched. But yeah, I think the sunset is our definite. So let's start working on it. You can see the helmet is with the 3 colors. Now I'm going to import the image, and I want to animate the image. So what I want to do is going on Seedance, and then I'm going to create the animation. So basically what I already prepared the prompt that I'm going to leave you here. I'm just fixing it a bit here. So I want to have me, which is obviously the driver, the main subject, putting the helmet on and going back and jumping to the car. Obviously the F1 car hasn't got any door, so I want to see on a difficult prompt like this how Seedance 1.0, the fast version, will react. You can see to generate here as well, I have 1 use of the credit. So we start using Seedance and generate, and I have 1 use. I'm not going to use any credit at the moment, which is good. And then if you go on the Seedance 1.0, you can see there are 3 uses. Let's select the 1.0. I don't mind about the time. So let's generate and see what Seedance is able to pull out now. Let's see. So I was pretty happy with Seedream 5.0. To be fair, it's not perfect, but the 4 images they gave me was pretty good. Yeah, pretty good idea what I want. So Seedream 5.0, I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see what Seedance is able to do with this. Here we go. So let's see a bit of the video. Let's see what Seedance 1.0 was able to produce. I can see the helmet is on. Let's see. And let's play. Put the helmet on with a bit of a face there. The door is completely missing. It sits down. It sits in the right position, but there's not really a door. You can see when the helmet goes up, the face pop in the helmet, and then it jumps in the car, and there's not really a door. So let's see the movement here. Yeah, you can see the movement. They pull it up, the helmet opens, and then there is already the face inside. It's not the worst, but obviously the helmet, see the movement when the helmet goes on. Yeah, you can see the face is already inside the helmet, and then there is the second part when there is no door in the F1. The movement, the idea is kind of receptive, so you understand the movements, the motion, but obviously the idea of the F1 is actually not there, and also the helmet with the face, that there's a bit of an issue here. You can see again, if I go back and forth, the face is already inside the helmet when there is a motion. You can see once again, there's the motion, yeah, and then obviously it sits in an F1, which is kind of really good. It's kind of good, to be fair. It doesn't change a lot. Let's go and see the VO3, how it does the job. So we can generate 3 uses here. I'm gonna use the same, a few extra details. So yeah, so about the helmet, so I want to change this thing with the helmet and see if there is an improvement of VO3. I tested before and it was not actually that bad. You can also see that you can select the duration. In this case for the VO3 is only 8 seconds, while on Seedance 1.0 you could pick between 5 or 10 seconds. So see there's different type of videos, and again I'm here showing you something really realistic. I don't want to polish it and making it amazing when it's not here, so I hope you appreciate the genuine video. So I'm just really live testing. I'm not making it polished. They look fantastic, everything, because you have a few uses and everyone makes it polished and amazing, but it's not always like this. So press on and let's see what Veo 3 does. Here we go, the image is generated, press play, and it's not putting the helmet on. I appreciate it put my hairstyle. There's someone already in the car. The steering wheel is outside and is not sitting in the car. Well, Veo 3, not a good job. You can see here it's just literally touching, sitting outside the car. You can see there's the steering wheel. Is not putting the helmet on. So it's literally not doing anything what I've been asked for. Yeah, nice motion, but the helmet doesn't goes off. It walks back like I give, and then there is this big chunk part on top of the car that came out of nowhere. What is that black huge thing? Does not belong to any F1. Yeah, move. Didn't put the helmet on. There is a guy already in the car. So yeah, this is really not what I asked for. I really badly surprised, you know, about Veo 3. I expected much better. I corrected a bit also the prompt, and I'm not really happy. So last try, I'm going to use Runway Gen-4. The prompt is quite clear in my opinion. Camera movement, fiber seat, it's all explained. Let's try to put 10 seconds here. 40 credits, not really happy actually to use the 40 credits, so maybe let's go on the 5 seconds and try the 20 credits. Not really happy to use it, but I just want to test it to see which is the most powerful. So far Seedance didn't do a bad job, so I'm pretty happy with Seedance. Not happy at all with Veo 3, considering I have 3 uses and then I have a bit more on the Seedance 1.0. And see, let's see how Runway Gen-4 does. I'm not pretty happy because I had to use the credit, but I'm just doing it for you guys, and I really want to genuinely test which is the best. Here we go, here's the video, let's press play. Oh my god, the helmet doesn't go on. Oh my god, this is a joke. This last one is an absolute joke. It doesn't put the helmet on, the body changes, and it's pretty bad, this one, really pretty bad. I don't even want to watch it anymore. Let's add an image and let's try to use Seedream 5.0 and try to change the image. Really, I don't even want to watch this Runway Gen-4. So let's make the driver inside the car. So it's just a simple prompt that I give. I just want to make the driver inside the car with the helmet on. It's not difficult. It's literally put that driver inside, put that person inside the car, click generate, and see what happens. Really disappointed. The more I try, the more I am disappointed. And you know, tell me if in your opinion is the prompt. I don't think so, because there's quite clear expectation, quite clear details that I'm giving with the prompt. This is simple. The driver inside the car with the helmet on. It's not that difficult. The car is behind, and there is a guy with an helmet on his hands. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's see what happened here. Let's see, I'm really curious to see what's happening. We see Seedream 5.0. Here we go, we got our 4 images, and to be fair, I'm not super happy. This is probably the closest, the first one, then we have the second one. Let's pull them in the timeline so I can have a better view. Okay, this one, it look like a very old Ayrton Senna in the dirt as well, doesn't match at all F1. This is a hot rod in the desert. This is a futuristic cyberpunk, and this is probably the closest. I mean, the helmet has changed for some reason. The driver is actually inside the car, the logs are still there. So this is probably the closest image. Let's try to change a bit. The driver is inside the car with the helmet on and keep everything as it is. So I just want to create an image. I literally ask Seedream 5.0 to put that driver inside the car. And I want to be a bit more specific. I don't want to change anything. I don't know why, you know, the AI does the job. You ask one thing and they recreate a million things. It was a pretty simple task. I understand, you know, sometimes we don't want to go and look for crazy prompt and spend hours just to generate the prompt, and then the result is not actually there. So this is very disappointing. You can tell that, you know, a lot of videos online, they show you a fantastic dream work, but then probably it takes 50 credit to do that job. How easy, how capable is an AI to work what you are going to say? That's the really important. That's, if you're going towards the future, that's an important task for me. That's an important bit that we need to consider. Let's see with this extra task, with this extra prompt. It's just not that difficult. I don't want to write a prompt long ages. I just want to have a simple prompt and I want to have the job done and see if finally we can get something that I asked for, or if it's gonna go bad once again, and probably this is going to be the end of the video. Let's see. The prompt is pretty simple. We got our first image. It put the driver, changed the helmet, kept the red outfit, and then I'm inside a Volkswagen. What in the earth? What in the earth? Here, changed the helmet, dropped it inside a Toyota or another Volkswagen, I don't know, a Sunset. Here they just change the background. Is basically one person inside a regular car, change the helmet, literally the driver inside the car with the helmet on and without changing anything else, and everything is being changed. I don't know at this point how the technology has improved. Is it really understanding what we're trying to say, or do we need to spend 95% on creating a prompt? Please let me know in the comment down below, what do you think about the new technology? Should I have tested a very, very detailed prompt, or are you happy with this genuine review? Let me know what you want to see in the next few videos, because I think it's really important to show this genuine first test, first hands-on on the AI. And make sure you double check these two cool effects.